Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is well. Let's quickly jump to the setups. So in front of us, we have the Dow yearly high-low, currently between levels of 50 and 61.8. There's support and resistance. If you look at the moving averages, 8 is above 21. That's crossing 50 days. So 8 is above 21, above 50. That's indicating trend is up. So with that, we want to push above the 61.8 to aim for that 89 target level. On the Dow monthly high-low, currently between levels of 23.6 and 38.2 as support resistance. Look at the moving averages, 50 is above 21, above 8. That's indicating trend is down. So with that, we want to push below this zero level to aim for that minus 127. On the Dow weekly high-low, currently between the levels of 61.8 and 77 support resistance. Look at the moving averages. Looks like 8 is slightly above 21 there. So with that, we want to candle close above the 100 level, break previous candle high to aim for that 127 first TP, 161.8 second TP, and stop loss being at the 77. Remember, guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. As soon as we hit the first TP, we move our trailing stop to the first red line. And as soon as we hit the second red line, we move our trailing stop to the first TP. On the Dow daily high-low, currently between levels of 50 and 61.8. If you look at the moving averages, 8 looks to be slightly above 21, above 50. That's indicating trend is up. So with that, we want a candle close above the 61.8. Break previous candle high to aim for that 77 first TP, 89 second TP, and stop loss being at the 50. Remember, guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. As soon as we hit the first TP, we move our trailing stop to the first red line. And as soon as we hit the second red line, we move our trailing stop to the first TP. On the USDAQ yearly high-low, currently between levels of 11 and 0, support resistance. Look at moving averages, 50 is above 21, above 8. That's indicating trend is down. So what we're looking for now is to push below the 0 level to aim for that minus 127 level. On the USDAQ monthly high-low, currently between levels of 11 and 23.6, support resistance. If you look at the moving averages, 50 is above 21, above 8. That's indicating trend is down. So with that, we want to push below the 0 level to aim for that minus 127 target. On the USDAQ weekly high-low, currently between levels of 61.8 and 50 as support resistance. Look at the moving averages, 50 is above 21, above 8. That's indicating trend is down. So with that, we want a candle close below the 38.2, break previous candle low to aim for that 23.6 first TP, 11 second TP, and stop loss being at the 50. Remember, guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. As soon as we hit the first TP, we move our trailing stop to the first red line. And as soon as we hit the second red line, we move our trailing stop to the first TP. On the USDAQ daily high-low, currently between the levels of 50 and 61.8. Look at moving averages, 8 is above 21, above 50. That's indicating trend is up. For me, I'll rather wait for a candle close above the 100 level there. Break previous candle high to aim for the 127 first TP, 161.8 second TP, stop loss being at the 77. Remember, guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. Move our trailing stop to entry. As soon as we hit the first TP, move our trailing stop to the first red line. And as soon as we hit the second red line, we move our trailing stop to the first TP. The DAX yearly high-low currently between levels of 50 and 61.8. Direct trend is up, 8 is above 21, above 50. So with that, we want to push above the 61.8 level to aim for that 89 target. On the DAX monthly high-low currently between levels of 77 and 89 as resistance and support. If you look at the moving averages, 21 is above 8. 8 is above 21. Green is above red. That's indicating trend is up. So with that, we're still aiming for that 89 target. The DAX weekly high-low currently above all the levels. We need to wait for moving average crossover to look for anything else. On the DAX daily high-low, currently between levels of 89 and 100. Look at the moving averages, 8 is above 21, above 50. That's indicating trend is up. So with that, we want a candle close above the 100 level, break previous candle high to aim for the 127 first TP, 161.8 second TP, and stop loss being at the 77. Remember, guys, same rules apply with the red lines. On the Aussie yearly high-low, currently between levels of 77 and 89, support resistance. If you look at the moving averages, 8 is above 21, above 50. That's indicating trend is up. So with that, we want to push above the 100 level to aim for the 127 target. On the Aussie monthly high-low, currently between levels of 61.8 and 77. If you look at moving averages, 8 is above 21, above 50, or green is above red. That's indicating trend is up. So with that, we're still aiming for that 89 target level. The Aussie weekly high low currently between levels of 89 or 100. We haven't got that trigger long just quite yet, so we're still waiting for that candle close above the 100 level, break previous candle high to aim for the 127 first TP, 161.8 second TP, and stop loss being at 77. Remember, guys, same rules apply with the red lines. The Aussie daily high low currently between levels of 77 and 89. If you look at the moving averages, it's above 21, above 50. That's indicating trends up. So what I'm looking for now here is a candle close above the 100 level, break previous candle high to aim for that 127 first TP, 161.8 second TP, and stop loss being at 77. Remember, guys, same rules apply with the red lines. Guys, I thank you so much for joining in. Hope you have a fantastic day and all the luck with your trading. Cheers, guys.